I'm gonna record as I'm driving down. I'm in Petersburg. They're doing all their sandbagging and stuff up there. Please stop. Oh, this is Rutledge. I'm in everybody's way now.
They've got sandbags galore over there. Oh, her house. Oh, yeah.
The old house is up there, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a nice Jeep.
Mounds of sand there in front of it. He's ready for high water.
Yeah.
There's a Rubicon. I seen it first.
Actually, I seen it before it came on this road.
Oh, what?
Haha. I'm gonna go down this way. I'm gonna get out of their way. I didn't mean to get so close to them. Oh, they're moving out. Those people there. That's a nice Jeep.
Yeah, little town is busy today.
Little town of Petersburg is sure busy.
And it's freezing out here. It's
33 degrees.
33. It's going to get cold tonight, that's for sure.
There's the Petersburg courthouse. Drive down here, but know if it's flooded or not.
That's for sure.
There's some Jeeps for sale. The Big Dairy Queen. Me lifting my finger was a wave. It's called a Jeep wave. It's a Jeep thing.